Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video today I'm going to show you how you can make money with cryptocurrencies by simply doing some basic stuff like liking or sharing Facebook pages, YouTube videos, and so much more. So let's dive it into the process. The first thing what we're going to do is that we're going to head to this website. This is called Chail Worldwide, and this website is where the magic happens. So if you don't have an account, I'm going to leave the link down in the description so that you can log in through my link, and I'm now going to show you how this website works. So before I start explaining this, you can try this for free like ordinary member. So you can see here that it says you have daily 3 tasks to do, but you also have all of these paid memberships, which are ranging from 100 to 300 euros. And next to it on the left, you're going to see how much is every task going to be worth, and how much is going to be given to you every day. So for the VIP 1 package, unit price, that is how much each task costs, you get 3 tasks and you're going to earn $3.3. So this is a stable coin, which is the same as $1. So 1.3 equals to $1.3 in real world. Now, in order for this to try it as a free version, you can do this by simply being an ordinary member. And what you're gonna do is head here to task hall. Now here in this green bar you have Facebook and YouTube stuff. I personally choose YouTube because it's way more convenient, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the tasks. So if you have paid packages, you're going to select any of these and simply head back to do the tasks. So once on YouTube, here we're going to see all of these quests here, and what we're going to do is simply we're going to click receive on each one of these, as this is going to be a reservation for you as a task that you're going to do. So depending on whether you're free or a paid member, you're going to have a limit on how many tasks you can do per day. So you're going to do up to that number. If your task limit is 3, then you're going to reserve 3 and do it. Now I'm going to reserve some of these. Oops. Okay, so I already must have reserved some of these tasks. Now head back here, and down where it says record, you're going to see all of these things that you have reserved for yourself. And what you're going to do is click this open the link. Once the link is opened, what you're going to do is like and subscribe. So just hit like if you see I'm already subscribed, and then take a screenshot of this video. Now what you're going to do is you're going to head back here. Now what you're going to do is click here on this camera box, and on the camera box you're going to select the picture that you previously took a screenshot. Do the same with every single one of these. Okay, now once you have done that, simply click submit, and do all of this for every single thing that you did. Then you're going to see on the upper dashboard how many of these are in the audit section, and how many are complete and how many are failed. Now once you have completed all of these tasks, you can head here to my balance, and here you're going to see that you have earned 21 US dollar coin. Now you're going to see that you have earned $21. And now the best part is I'm going to show you how you can withdraw this and get it back to your wallet, where you can later exchange it for another cryptocurrency, or you can exchange it for real money and get it deposited to your bank account. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going out and going to go to my Binance account, and here in the Binance application I'm going to request my deposit address so that I can get this money here on my account. So to do so properly, you're going to head here and select this wallet down. Okay, since I'm here in my Binance account, down below you're going to see this wallet icon, and here you can deposit cryptocurrency or fiat currency. So I'm going to select crypto, and I'm going to select USDT, which is short for the tether. And since this network is sending money through Tron TRC20 network, we're going to select this. Okay, now copy this address and head back to the browser where you do the tasks. Now let me just remove this a little bit. Head here to this arrow and hit withdraw. So this is the available balance, and this is the address that I'm going to select. So this is my address. Click save and now hit withdraw. Okay, now once I have withdrawn this, here you're going to see that your balance has been deducted. If you're a free member like me, the limit is only 10 tether, which is equal to $10. And once I head here to the US tether on the Binance app, I'm going to be able to shortly see the amount that I deposited. Okay, if you do not see it immediately, then that means that the network has to confirm it, and then you're going to have this payment received and stationed here in your wallet on Binance or any other exchange where you have your crypto wallet on. Alright guys, so let's head back to my Binance account, and once we enter the application, I'm going to hit this wallet icon, and you're going to see that I have $15 in my total balance. And from all the balances down below, you're going to see this tether, which is what Chain Worldwide is sending us after we finish those tasks. So here you can see that they made a deposit of $10, 10 tether, sorry, on 1st of April at 6 p.m., almost 7 p.m. that time. And this 5 additional was a bonus for my account here. So currently I have $15 in tether. So what can I do is that I can head back and hit these arrows here and hit sell. So I just have to select the appropriate currency, which is tether, and I have 15 in tether. So what I can actually do is that I can switch currencies here, euro or US dollar. I can try changing this to US dollar because I'm more used to US dollar. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, and if you like what you see here, give me those thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here you're going to find a lot of amazing videos on how to make money online and other various tips and tricks on various use of other applications. So if you like this, I would truly appreciate if you put this bell in order to get notification when I post another video. Thank you, and until the next video. Bye bye.